And here's the easiest way to insert image into a shape. I'm selecting a shape. First of all, let's select this ellipse tool and just adding a shape. Now, once you have the shape, disable the shape fill first of all. And if you want, you can add a stroke. Also, you can disable stroke for the shape. Once you have the shape, now hold down the Ctrl key and click on this icon to select your shape. After that, open the image, which image you want to add into the shape. Unlock the image layer, click on select, all, edit, and copy. Go back to your project. And here, make sure to select the layer and go to edit. And click on paste spatial and click on paste into. And then your image will paste into the shape. Now, to resize the image, press Ctrl T, zoom out your project, and then go ahead and adjust your image size just like this. Once you're happy, just tap on done. And this is how you can actually add image into any shape.